Hey Caitlin, this is Professor Aguirre. I just want to share this with you really quickly. I know we've done this before, but I'm going to give you a little quick lesson on it. So remember that your first line has to go over at the margin. So all I did was bring it over here and line heading. Your second line needs to be double spaced and reverse indented. So to do that, I just hit enter to double space, and then I did tab, which is in the upper left hand corner. So let me do that again for you. It was up here. So if I just do tab, okay, because I cleared off the preset that was there, now I go enter. If this part goes on the same line with this, there's no reason for it to go on a different line. And then it's all double spaced. So I'm just going to double space. And then it put the hyperlink in there. It's fine. We can leave it or not. We can remove the hyperlink, remove link. There. Now you see that your first line is lined up here, but your second, third, and fourth are lined up with each other, and they are reverse or hanging indented, and this should be double spaced once. And you're really good at doing the summaries, so that's all you need to know.